Fitness is something that I really take it seriously. I love working out and hitting my Zumba classes every single day without fail. And for that, I depend a lot on my fitness band to help track daily activities, sleep patterns, and many more. As a tech reviewer, I often have to change the devices that I'm using, including my fitness band. Yes, you must have already guessed the device that I'm talking about. It's the newly launched Realme Band. This is the first time that Realme has launched a fitness band in India, and for that very reason, I wasn't sure initially how the band would perform and track my daily activities. I used the Realme band for a week and must say that it impressed me as far as the performance is concerned. In this video, we are going to talk about how the band performs and whether you should spend 1500 rupees on it or not.
Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
The Realme Band packs a lot of features like sleep tracking, heart tracking, sports mode, and many more. Let's start with the good things first. Realme Band offers a great battery life. For me, in my 1 week of usage, I had to charge the band only once, which is pretty incredible for a fitness band at this price segment. As far as the charging speed is concerned, it took merely about 1 hour to fully charge the band. The Realme Band does not come with a separate charger in the box similar to other fitness bands at the same price segment. So how do you charge the band? All you need to do is take off the strap from one side. You'll see a USB connector right there and you can plug it to any phone charger to charge the band. As far as the pairing is concerned, the Realme Band can only be paired with an Android phone. It does not have to be specifically a Realme phone for that matter. This is because of the Realme Link app, which is available only on Google Play Store right now and not on App Store. The company hasn't announced anything about the App Store availability of the Realme Link app for now. So how do you pair the band to the phone? It's very simple and easy. First, download the Realme Link app on your Android smartphone, turn on the phone's Bluetooth setting, take off the strap from the band and connect it to a USB connector, open the Realme Link app, search for the band, and you're good to go. To change settings, you specifically have to use Realme Link app as the band does not allow you to play around with any settings. Most of the options like sleep tracking, heart rate tracking, idle mode and sports mode cannot be accessed from the band and you'll have to use the Realme Link app for it. It is probably because of the tiny screen that the band comes with and the one-touch navigation button. The screen of the band isn't very big, but thankfully it's a colored display that somewhat tries to make up for the tiny screen. Like I said, I use a fitness band for sleep tracking, steps tracking, and many more activities. And for that very reason, the band has to have a good screen and which also gets bright. The Realme Band does not have it either. To change the brightness, you'll have to use the Realme Link app specifically as it cannot be done on the band itself. While you get notifications for calls, messages and emails on the band, to check them, you'll have to use your phone. The band does not let you receive calls on it, but you can definitely decline it. The heart rate sensor and sleep tracking show accurate results. The Realme Link app provides two options for heart rate tracker, auto and manual. In auto mode, the band tracks heart rate every 5 minutes. Similar to the heart rate tracker, the steps tracking is also very good. I tried walking 100 steps and the Realme Band calculated it to be 109, which is pretty fantastic for a band priced so aggressively. I feel one of the best features that the Realme Band offers is the drink reminder. As the name suggests, it basically allows you to set up the time and days when you want the band to remind you to drink water. The Realme Band comes with 3 colors, green, yellow and black. I personally like the green one better. The black one also looks pretty decent. I like the fact that the Realme Band weighs less and it's comfortable to wear throughout the day. The silicone strap on the Realme Band feels flimsy and I personally would have liked a better quality strap for the band. So should you buy the Realme Band? I feel at 1499 rupees, the Realme Band is a pretty good choice for people who are looking for a fitness band for daily use under 1500. Despite being pocket-friendly, the Realme Band is pretty accurate at tracking heart rate, steps, sleep, and many more activities. It also offers great battery life and charges very quickly. One area where I feel the Realme band could have been better is the design. I would have liked a much better quality strap for the band. Overall, at the price, the band is a pretty good deal.